Hi children, welcome to Kids World. Today I have a story for you. In a kingdom there was a king who was very brave and courageous and lived majestically. He took care of his citizens carefully. He ruled over the country in such a way that the citizens of the country were very happy. Once there was a tiger entered the kingdom from the forest. That tiger killed so many people inside the kingdom. People were threatened by the tiger. They did not know when and from where the tiger would come and attack them. But everyone knew the place where it was hiding. So the people came to complain the king about the tiger. The tiger was so furious and it destroyed all the cow yards of the country during night times. So people wanted their safety and complained about it to the king. The king made so many plans to catch the tiger, but all his trials failed. He tried in some ways to catch the tiger. Moreover, he challenged his soldiers to catch the tiger. Soldiers too could not catch hold of it. Instead, the tiger caught some of them and killed them. So many warriors challenged the king that they would catch the tiger, but that never happened. Day by day, the king started to lose his army people one by one. The king became sad and announced for a competition. If anyone catches the tiger, the king announced to give the winner £1,000. No one was ready to accept the challenge. At that time, one young man came to the palace who was ready to catch the tiger. His cloth looked old and torn. His hair was very dry without oil. His filthy look disgusted the king and lost his confidence. But that young man, who looked like a beggar, was very confident that he would catch the tiger easily. The people of the palace mocked at him. One man said, "Hey, look at the beggar. Even the soldiers cannot catch the tiger. How is it possible for him to do it?" Other one says, "It's all rubbish. He is bluffing. Now he is going to be the prey for the tiger." Another one says, "Never. When the great warriors, soldiers, army people cannot catch the tiger, how would it be possible for this beggar to catch it easily?" Hearing all this conversation, that young man went near the king and told him again, "Your Majesty, I can do it easily." The king doubtfully questioned him, "Young man, are you a fighter?" The young man replied, "No, sir. When I see fight somewhere, I just run away from that place." People laughed at his answer. Then the king asked, "Young man, are you a circus man who can tame the wild animals?" Young man replied, "No, sir. I have never been to the circus." People got irritated by his answer. At last, the king asked, "Young man, then with which confidence you have come to me to accept my challenge?" Now the young man answered, "Majesty, I have the confidence that you would offer me a guitar for one day." Everyone was in a confusion. Immediately the king asked, "Are you a musician? Do you know playing guitar? Will you tame the tiger with your music?" Young man said no to all his questions, but his only request was to offer him a guitar. Some of the people in the crowd said that the beggar man would make fool out of them. Taking the guitar, he would run away. He was just trying to cheat them. But stubbornly, that young man asked the king for a guitar. The king, with little confusion, offered him a guitar. As soon as he received the guitar from the king, the young man took the guitar towards the place where the tiger hid himself and fixed the guitar on a tree tightly and left that place. That man hid himself away from the place to watch what the tiger was doing. Within a few seconds, the birds flying above started to sit on the strings of the guitar and flutter the wings. As soon as the birds fluttered the wings, the guitar gave sound. It started to give music according to the flutterings of the birds. Hearing the sound of the guitar, the tiger ran out of the hidden place, thinking that someone has come to catch it. When the man saw the tiger coming out, at once he threw the stones on the tiger. One of the stones directly hit the forehead of the tiger. The tiger became unconscious and fell down. Now he called the people to catch the tiger in a net. People caught it with a net and kept it inside a cage. Then the king became happy, and as he announced, he gave the young man £1,000, and he appointed the young man in his palace as one of his ministers. People of the kingdom now came to know about his hidden talents. Children, the moral of the story is be confident about your talent. Don't give up. You will win one day. Children, if you like this story, please tell your parents to subscribe it and share it. Next time, I'll come along with some other story. Thank you so much.